In this video, we'll show you how to clean the pump head and the check valves on Shimadzu LC-40 and LC-40 CL series pumps. Before performing this procedure, please view the video on disassembling the pump head. After the top and bottom connections are disconnected, loosen both valves about one full turn. Then, loosen the screws that hold the pump head and carefully remove it. Using the removal tool, remove the backup rings and the seals. Put the pump head and the check valves in a beaker containing 50% isopropanol and water. Do not remove the check valves. Sonicate for 10 minutes and then rinse with distilled water. If an ultrasonic bath is not available, soak the pump head and the check valves in 10% isopropanol water for 10 minutes and then rinse with distilled water.